Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're absolutely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. This afternoon I'll be showing you how I make my honey plantain chips, aka kepekere. Here I sliced my plantain, unripe plantain, with knife. I don't have a plantain cutter, so I try as much as possible to cut it as thin as I can with my knife. So that's what I am doing here. And after that, I have to switch my knife to a sharper one so that I can slice my plantain as thin as possible. Please, to get the crunchy taste and crunchy feeling of these plantain chips, you need to slice your plantain as thin as possible so that you get the crunchy feeling of this crunchy honey kepekere. I'll allow you to watch the rest and you see the end product and how easy it was for me to get it. Please consider subscribing if you have watched up to this point, and leave me a comment down below so that we know that you came to visit my house. Thank you so much. Let me let you watch the rest of the video. I'm done slicing, as you can see, and this is honey. I added a drizzle of honey flakes. You can add as much or as little as you want, as much as you want or as little as you want to it. Then mix together. Make sure your honey and your plantain chips are well prepared, and make sure all your plantain pieces here are well prepared with the honey so that they will be sweet. So yeah, I'm testing my vegetable oil. I am fine outside, please. Yeah, make sure you do not overcrowd your frying pan with plantain so that it can fry up easily. Yeah, just don't overcrowd your pan, just do it little at a time. And once it's golden brown, you can just take it off the fire, because if you allow it to get brown on fire, it's automatically getting burned, if that makes any sense. So just continue stirring, and when it's golden brown, just take it off fire and allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, it becomes crunchy. Once it's cooled down completely, it becomes crunchy, and then you can store it in an airtight container, and it can stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, in a well tight container. So this is the end product of it. This is how it is. This is how yummy it looks, and I tell you, it is crunchy, it is crispy, and it is very sweet. It is delicious.